my name's Jay. I'm a student physiotherapist from the University of Sydney. Today you're going to be doing an exercise to help improve the ability of reaching and pointing, because I've noticed sometimes when you're at home using a device such as an iPad, when you're typing you sometimes miss the letters, and when you're pushing on them you're pushing quite hard. Okay, so for the first task I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be starting in this position here, then reaching and pointing to this red dot here. It's important that you try and get to the middle of that dot and not push too hard, and we don't want to be leaning on the desk while pointing. We want to come and then push. So I'll show you a demonstration of that. So coming here and touching in the middle there. Okay, we're going to do that 5 times on your left and then 5 times on your right, coming all the way back. So now you try that. So we're going to move on to the next part of the exercise now, just to make it a little bit harder because you did so well with the previous task. You can see that there's 4 dots here, 1, 2, 3, 4 in each corner. What you're going to be doing in a second is, like you did before, pointing to try and get into the middle of each target, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now you try that. So you did really well with the previous exercise, so we're going to make that a little bit more difficult again. So what I want you to do is pretty much the same thing, so going 1, 2, 3, 4, but I want you to try and do that quicker, and then once you get to the 4, press the 4 again and come back around as quick as you can, making sure that you come back every time, and also remember not to try and push too hard when you're doing that. Okay, when you're ready. Okay, that was really good. You pretty much nearly got them back on the exact same spot, and none of them were outside the target. Well done. Okay, Kieran, so now we're going to bring all those exercises together, and you're going to be typing. So what I'd like you to do is try and type your name, but I want you to remember all those other cues, so making sure that you come all the way back, reaching over, and I'd like you to try and use both hands as well. Okay, when you're ready. Okay, that was really well done there. You weren't pushing too hard and you managed to get all the correct letters of your name.